Hey guys, today I'll show you how to see all your deleted YouTube watch history. Kindly watch carefully so you don't miss a step. Firstly, kindly open your YouTube app. Now tap the settings icon by the top right corner. Select Manage All History. Tap on Controls. Now make sure to switch on the option which says include the YouTube videos that you watch. As you can see, this are all the YouTube videos we have watched since this YouTube channel was created. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.